Hi everyone, I just want to show you how I've arranged the wardrobe of the baby before the baby comes. As a second time mom, I know prep is everything. I don't want to be dependent on people. My mom is not going to be visiting for the 10 days right after birth, which she did the last time. So I've just prepped everything myself. In fact, I had hired professional organizers who've come and set up the entire wardrobe. So I'm just going to show you. First, we have kept all the jhablas, all the clothes and onesies that will fit the baby in the first 3 months are here. Everything that will fit the baby after 3 months are here. Now, a lot of them are Aishka's clothes. A lot of them have been passed on to us by friends and family. Uh, Not too many new things, but there are some new things, and of course, we will be using some new things. This basket right now is empty. This basket right now is empty. Of course, we need empty spaces. In this, we've kept like a Montessori toy. Now, I have to show you that all my other Montessori toys are also prepped. The black and white mobile, the octahedron. Now, this will be a whole separate video, but the Montessori toys are also fully prepped. Now, apart from that, this is a play mat. It's a very thick one because we basically are going to have the baby in different parts of the house and we cannot carry the bassinet, so we will carry this. The gaddi. Now, this is a thick gaddi. You can tie bolsters on both the sides, very safe. So, just for variety, because if we wash this, then we want this. Here are some bedding sets. Now, I don't know how much of blankets we're actually going to use because we can't really use blankets for sleeping. When the baby is sleeping, there should be nothing in their bassinet, nothing at all. But then these are again, we've already had them from Aisha's time, and this was gifted to us by a brand, and it's very cute. So, this is there. Now, come closer, let me show you the drawers. Now, these are 4 sleep suits. So, let me show you what I mean. So, these are sleep suits. You don't have to put a blanket on the child if you do this. And usually, babies will have their hand up when they are tiny. So, the whole idea is that these sleep suits are gonna help the baby. Now, this particular one by Love to Dream is very great as it transitions and it can be used for a very long time. Apart from that, we have other brands like Masilo, Nintara, and Cocoon Care. These are some socks, baby socks. It's mainly for the cuteness. Honestly, we don't plan to use too many socks. But then I Love Mom, I Love Dad socks are too cute to not have. And then these are the cotton inners. Now, these I don't know where they're from, but they're very nice. They're passed on to us from somebody and they're in great condition. So, we're using these. So, yeah, we plan to do a lot of cloth diapering, which means we need a lot of waterproof sheets. I don't like the felt sheets. I like these sheets which have cotton on top and have plastic below, so we can easily do cloth diapering. Now, if you see the way we've stacked, it becomes much easier to use. These are by Abracadabra. Again, these also have cotton on one side and they come with an attachment which has the plastic on the other side. These are all the cloth diapers we have. Some of them are very nice and thick. Now, there's a separate video for all of this, so you can see that there. These are the inserts for maybe overnight cloth diapering when we get to it. These are all the towels and these are the washcloth. So, all of this is needed for shower basically. And these are the burp towels. Everything is labeled. So basically, it's easy for anyone to fetch anything, and it's mentioned on top of the drawer also that this item is here. So it makes life really easy. Now we have too many blankets. Like I said, I don't know how many we're going to use, but we just have them from hand-me-downs. These are Loveys. Loveys are nothing but security, plushies for babies. Babies hold them and they feel secure. We're not going to be giving it right now, but we've washed and kept them, and we've left some empty spaces. Now here again we have pajamas, napkins, caps. So there you go. Cotton caps are here, woolen caps are here, pajamas are here, bibs are here, extra water wipes and hankies are here. Now coming down, here we have cotton sheets and cotton inner socks. So these cotton sheets are again multi-purpose. They can be used, as swaddles. They can be used as crib sheets. They can be used on top of the cotton sheets. They are literally multi-purpose. A lot of hand-me-downs. These are all from Aishka's time when we got it done, and they're beautifully embroidered. Don't ask me for the link. The lady who made them is no longer making them. So yeah, and this has again a baby carrier passed on to us by somebody. It's from Baby Jalebi, and this is a baby wearing wrap. This is kind of like a mat. I think it's waterproof, so we can also use it for bath. And then, of course, we have lots and lots of books. So these are all our extra books. These are all the books that we will use up to a year, but we have so many more because it's our second baby, and these two have been left empty right now. So that's about the wardrobe organization. This Aish has very graciously given the wardrobe, and so we could prepare a whole new wardrobe, which also meant we had to have all her stuff fit into this and that. So right now we've not taken more of Aisha's space. Everything else in this room continues to be hers. It is not meant for the child. But there's just this one space that we have below the bed that I would like to show you. So the way we've set up the bed, there's ample space below. And if the baby is napping in the day, we can definitely move a mattress and have the baby sleep here. We also have an extra mattress, while Aish can sleep on top of the bunk bed where she has already shifted beautifully.